Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove sync contacts from TikTok. If you've previously allowed TikTok to access your contacts and want to delete that information for more privacy, this guide or video will walk you through the process step by step. So start by opening the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to remove your sync contacts. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the menu button, which appears as three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, from the menu, tap Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Then from here, tap Contacts and Location. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. So here you'll see whether contact syncing is enabled. You can turn off the sync options. You can turn off the sync contacts option if it's still on. So this prevents TikTok from syncing any new contacts from your phone. On the same page, look for the option to remove previously synced contacts or remove sync contacts. Tap it and confirm your choice when prompted. Then TikTok will begin deleting the contacts that were previously uploaded to your account. Keep in mind that it may take some time for the removal process to finish. And that's it. You've successfully removed your same contacts from TikTok. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and thanks for watching.